Good afternoon, this is Mel from IntegralBlinds. As you see, we've just completed the retrofit of fully featured, fully dressed integral blinds operated by two magnets, one that tilts the blades, another one that rapidly raises and lowers them. The blinds are off-white, what we call colour code 2065, with a jet black fully dressed perimeter with a concealed stack. That means that the raised Venetian slat stack in these withdraws entirely out of view. Very tidy, very smart. The fully dressed perimeter is unique to us. The concealed raised Venetian slat stack again is unique to us. One of the boxes it ticks is, well, of course it ticks many, such as with jet black dress perimeter, it makes the gaskets disappear out of view because they disappear against jet black. The deep pocket at the top enables us to withdraw the slats out of view entirely. Another benefit of the dress perimeter, like all good pictures, whether you're looking at the Mona Lisa or a Turner or a Constable, whatever, you go to the Tate Gallery, go to the Louvre, don't take my word for it, each and every picture, doesn't matter how great it is, always has a frame. And so's the same with views as stunning as this. So this view here, people who live in these locations pay a lot for these views. So, as you see, in this case, they've framed it with a jet black perimeter. That jet dress perimeter could have been any other choice of over 100 colours. You don't have to go for the same colour both sides. So on the outside, you could go, for example, for, I mean, the cladding on this is a sort of dove grey. So they could have gone for a dove grey rather than a jet black. The glass used here is interesting in itself. It's what we call self-cleaning solar control glass. It's Excelsior XR. It's a full function glass. Note though how difficult it is right now to see in, even though the blinds are up. It's basically because of the privacy coating, the privacy function of this glass. When daylight is at its normal daylight ratio of say 7:1 outside to inside, that coating makes, I mean, for people walking up, holiday makers walking up the road here trying to look into this property, it obscures the view. It affords the owners here a degree of privacy over and above what standard glass would offer. After all, if you had a view as good as this, would you want the blinds down just to have your privacy if you're overlooked to avoid the goldfish wild effect? Of course not. So it's a full function glass, 60% reduction in solar gain, 50% reduction in UV transmission. So when the sun beats down, as it was earlier today, it protects all the internal flooring, decor and furnishings from fading. The other function of that glass is it's a self-cleaning glass. It's got a coating like Teflon, nothing can stick to it. So just to reiterate, these are rapid raise and lower magnet operated integral blinds. One control to tilt the blades, another one to rapidly raise and lower. The colour choices for the slats are available in say about 7 to a dozen colour choices. The blinds are available in electric remote control or magnet operated such as these. You see I'm tilting the blades there. This one raises and lowers them, as I said, raises them entirely out of view, and it looks very smart indeed. If you've got a project similar to this, why don't you check out our Facebook page, facebook.com/IntegralBlinds. Alternatively, you might want to give us a call on 0800 6102 610, or of course you can see our channel on YouTube. Notice, by the way, the other design characteristic of our system. There are no guide rails guaranteed. Of course, the issues associated with guide rails of all types are well known and well understood. We use mag stops, solid glass mag stops here, to set the upper and lower limits of travel for the blinds. So no guide rails guaranteed. Give us a call. We'd love to talk to you about your project. If you need colour swatches, we'd be happy to send them out. Remember, as I say, we do this in automated as well as magnet operated. Some people prefer to have their own installed by themselves or their builder. In this case, this is a project we've come onto site here today. There's our tools there, you see. We've come onto site today to retrofit. There's the old units there. We've taken those out and popped those in. And that's the finished project. Very smart, I'm sure you'll agree. Give us a call.